We have an equation with a rational exponent, but there's also an extra number over there. Sometimes there's confusion about what order to do things in. So if you're ever confused, you know what to rely on, I hope. Good old order of operations, but we're solving, so we're trying to undo, so we're going backwards. I would look at this side of the equation and see that there's nothing to add or subtract at all, so get rid of that. But there is something to either multiply or divide, so that's what has to happen first. Before I worry about getting rid of this exponent, I'm going to have to divide both sides by that 4 to get x to the 1/3 equals 3. That does put me in a position to now think about how to deal with the exponent. It's a fractional exponent, so I will take the fraction and flip it over. The reciprocal of 1/3 is 3 over 1, so I'll just use a 3, and of course a 3 on this side as well. These at 1/3 and 3 would multiply together. They make 1 when they multiply, effectively canceling them out. So left side is just x, and now the right side, what kind of color is that? The right side is 3 to the 3rd, which is 27. I do want to check my work and make sure this actually makes sense as an answer. So I will take 4 times the x value that I think is true to the 1/3 power, and I want to see if this equals 12. So now we're evaluating, so I'll do order of operations in the order it shows. First thing to do is apply the exponent. So I need to figure out what 27 to the 1/3 is. Since 3 times 3 times 3 is the only thing that makes 27, I can say it's 3. And then I'll have 4 times that. 4 times 3 makes 12. That's what I was hoping to get. That's what I did get. So this x equals 27 is in fact the correct answer. Good luck.